Hi, and welcome to Occasional Fish. Today we will be making white chocolate chip oatmeal cookies. These are sweet and mostly use ingredients that you likely already have in your kitchen. To start, we will be softening 1 stick of butter in a microwave-safe bowl. I heat mine for about 30 seconds, but check your butter around the 15-second mark just to avoid any splattering in your microwave. Once the butter is melted, we're going to add in a half cup of brown sugar, and then a half cup of regular granulated sugar. It's important to mix the butter and sugars together well so that you get a fluffy texture. Now we're going to add in our egg. It's really recommended to crack your eggs into a separate bowl so you can catch any shells, but luckily this time I didn't get any. After you crack in your egg, you will add in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. If you have vanilla paste or any other type of vanilla flavoring, that will work as well. Now we'll mix it all together before adding in our dry ingredients. To the wet ingredients, we'll add in 1 cup of flour, a half teaspoon of baking powder, and a half teaspoon of baking soda. Mix all of these together until the dough starts to form. Finally, we'll add in our 1.5 cups of rolled oats, and a half cup of white chocolate chips. Once the batter has come together, start placing spoonfuls onto a lined baking sheet. These cookies will bake at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for about 7 to 8 minutes, or until they're crisp on the edges and soft in the middle. Let the cookies cool for about 10 minutes before you start eating. I hope you enjoyed today's recipe. If you did, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more recipes. Until next time.